Hey, Cagna. I have not seen you for almost 1 month. How have you been? I've been doing all right. It's nice to meet you. By the way, Cagna, I'm opening a restaurant this weekend. Can you help me for 1 or 2 days after work? Of course. I can. It will be a pleasure. What kind of help do you need? It would be nice if you could help me to serve the drinks and food. But will I be all alone? No, there will be 3 of us. All right, I think I can do it. Thank you very much indeed, Cagna. It is really nice to have a friend like you. Don't worry what friends are for. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care. If you need anything else, just call me. Bye.